If you want to scan a QR code on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, we actually have a couple of ways to do so. The first method is to use the scanner that you can find in the app drawer. So this is the scanner that I'm looking for. It is pre-installed, so once you open it, you can try to aim at the QR code and hopefully it will work. However, in my case, it seems to be never working for some reason. And you can also find the scanner in the control center as well. It is this button over here. It opens exactly the same thing, but just like before, for some reason, in my case, it just doesn't work. So another way to scan the QR code is to simply use the camera. So once we open the camera in the photo mode, let me actually swipe it up so it disappears. In the photo mode, you can simply aim at the QR code just like that. And here on the left side, we have this QR code icon that we can use in order to open the link. And the camera actually works for me all the time. I have no issues with scanning the QR code with the camera app. And in case it doesn't work for you, you can also check if the scanner is enabled. So we're going to tap on this arrow that we have at the top and go to camera settings. And then in here, go to AI recommendations where we have scan QR codes. So of course, we need to make sure that it is enabled to be able to use it. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.